Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is again very beautiful and very artistic. But in this video, I'm sharing a very beautiful and pretty design ideas of Sindhi embroidery, Gujarati jamar, Gujarati, Sindhi Hurmich, or many different names have been used for this pattern, and with a very beautiful collection of embroidery patterns that are specifically designed for blouse designing. Yes, friends. And if we talk about the blouses, then you can use these blouse designs for making a various stuff, various number of things. Like you can use these to design the blouse of your saris, to blouse of your lehenga, choli, of your frock, of your kalidar, of your any type of gown, maxi, or a flared dress. You can use these absolutely favorable and very beautiful design ideas. So friends, those who are beginners, those who don't know the art of hand embroidery but they are in search of very beautiful patterns, this is a very beautiful embroidery pattern. You can go for it. These are highly designer style patterns, and at the same time, those who are beginners, those who have just started their business, they are looking up some very beautiful designer style and unique stylish patterns of handwork, hand art, to impress their customers, to make a large amounts of money with very less and focused amount of work done. Then this video is absolutely for them. Friends, you can use any type of thread like silk thread, DMC, anchor, or wool for making these patterns of very beautiful Kutch works in the embroidery. So I hope that you like my today's video, and you can also use to design these necklines for making your shirts, tops, kurtis, paplums, and short frocks and short kurtis as well. Kameez could also be designed. Even you can also make these patterns onto your printed fabrics, onto your plain fabrics, onto your summer cotton, onto your lawn, or any type of winter fabrics as well. And now at the end, I am sharing some very beautiful long neckline Kutch work hand embroidery patterns in the form of different colored ideas, so that you could get which type of color combinations would be best for making these patterns with the help of thread. So if you really like my today's video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, and don't forget to like and subscribe.